Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to donate in Twitch. So if you want to donate in Twitch, it's a very simple procedure. All you need to do is just make sure to be careful and make sure to read about all the information correctly. Now what you need to do is first thing first, open up a browser and log in into your twitchtv.com. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page, what you need to do is press the profile from the top right hand side corner. So from the home page, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and locate the particular follower or the streamer for whom you want to go ahead and donate. I'm gonna go with this one. So when I actually locate the streamer's platform or their profile icon, you can see this is how it's gonna look like. Now it's gonna be easy for you if they've set it up correctly or if they've set it up in an easy access way. So if you scroll down a bit, you can just find this option as donate. Now if I go and press this option donate, it's gonna direct me to a different website or a web browser where I can go ahead and donate her through a streamelement.com. So what you need to do is you could go ahead and send a message with a tip, with your tip. So you could go ahead and write your name, and then you could also go with the like customizable. They have this like how much dollar you want to go ahead and tip, all that. So you can find it out and just follow the instructions, and you have successfully donated the following streamer. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.